SA1 po. Police po ako dati.
So kaya nga nalipat ka dyan sa examiner,
Ay,
diba?
po, opo.
O yun yung sinasabi ko. Pero ito mga ito, matagal na ito mga ito, kaya Mr. Chair, yung sinasabi niya kanina, hindi niya kilala ito. Ito mga ito rin, pinapaikot-ikot tayo ng mga ito. Alam na po nila, Mr. Chair, kung anong laman, nung container na parating doon sa bill of lading, sinasabi, alam na nila na misdeclared yun. Natimbrihan na, misdeclared tayo. Ang bawal lang sa kala, Mr. Chair, droga, dahil talagang hindi lulusot sa mga tiga-customs. Kinakabahan din yung mga kolektor at saka iba pang kontrabando. Pero yung mga yan, it's a fair game, Mr. Chair. Bigas, sibuyas, walang permit sa DA. They know that. Kaya, Ms. Nacario, try again. Medyo mahina. I'm waiting for the pictures na kausap mo yung mga yan. Alright? That's all, Mr. Chair.
So, do you want to be truthful, Ms. Nacario?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So, never mo kausap itong mga...
Hindi ko po nakausap yung kung sino man.
Yeah, but you've met some of them. Imposible hindi dumadaan sa office mo ito.
Yung kung pwede ko pong malaman, Mr. Chair, kung kasi po, sa part of
Bakit kami ang tatanungin mo?
sa part of Subic,
Kami ang nagtatanong sa'yo.
sorry
Ano yun?
po, Mr.
Pwede,
Chair.
pwede ba namin sabihin sino yung mga ka-meeting mo?
Sa part of Subic po, Mr. Chair, maliit lang po kasi yung port na.
Yeah, which is what she said.
Opo.
So it's hard
So,
to believe that hindi mo kilala itong mga to, puro computer lang, puro portal lang.
Hindi naman po, Mr. Chair.
Ayun, hindi naman po.
To
Ano talaga?
answer it po, pag of course, nakikita ko po sila by face, pero hindi ko po sila kilala personally.
O so ngayon, nakikita ko na sila. Kanina,
Yung
portal lamang. Okay, so nag-a-adjust na tayo. So nakikita lang, hindi nagmi-meeting.
nakikita ko po yung
Hindi kayo nagmi-meeting.
pero hindi po kami nagmi-meeting kasi maliit lang po yung port. In fact, yung canteen po namin is nasa may labas lang. So, pagka lumalabas po ako during lunchtime para po kumain, may nakakasalubong ko yung some of them yung nagpa-process po sa Subic.
So yun. So ngayon medyo hindi na portal lamang.
Opo.
Di ba? So
Yes
hindi
po,
lamang.
tama po, Mr. Chair.
So kasi kanina portal lamang. Ngayon, paminsan-minsan. Kanina, hindi kayo nakakausap. Ngayon, maliit lang ang Subic. So dun sa pag-uusap ninyo, nagkikita kayo during lunch break, may pina-follow up sa inyong mga transaksyon, tama?
Pag lunch break po kasi, Mr. Chair, yung canteen po namin nasa labas. Yes po.
Whether it's lunch break
Opo.
or coffee break,
Opo.
nag-uusap ba kayo tungkol sa mga transaksyon?
Pwede po silang
Nagpa-follow up sila.
magtanong kung may mga queries po sila sa office, and then kung
Uusap kayo.
yes po,
Tama.
Mr. Chair.
At kilala mo itong mga ito.
Yes po, pero hindi po lahat. Familiar po yung face nila na nagpa-process sa Subic.
Just the face. Hindi mo kilalang pangalan. Parang
Mr. Chair,
parang si Vincent, si
Mr. Chair,
Carlos.
Mr. Chair, if I may. So, nakakausap mo si Berches.
Si Burgess po, Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Hindi po talaga. Hindi ko po siya nakikita.
Hindi mo nakikita. Sino nakikita mo dyan?
Nakikita ko po sa port.
Kami na kasalubong sa pananghalian, merienda, nag-hi, hello.
Si Mr. Yando.
Si Mr. Yandok po, nakita ko na po siya sa office dahil nagpa-process po siya sa
Ayun.
Subic.
Okay.
Yes,
Sino
po.
ba nakikita mo sa office? Si
Sa
1024. Nakikita mo ba ito?
Yes po, si Mr. Eugene familiar po yung face niya.
Yeah. So, may operation siya. Nagpa-process ba siya sa opisina mo? Kasi sabi niya, hindi na raw. So, meron.
Nakikita po namin. Nakikita
Kaya
ko po
nga,
sa
nagpa-follow up din ba siya ng papeles sa office niyo, si 1024, Consumer Goods Trading?
Opo, nagpa-follow
Okay.
po siya sa office po.
So,
Okay.
kasi sabi niya, sarado na raw siya. When was the last time you saw him?
Sorry po, Mr. Chair, to correct si Mr. yung Mr. Melvin po, hindi ko po siya nakita sa Port of Subic. Hindi po,
Pero
Mr.
si
Chair.
1024 nagpa-process.
Broker po ang nakikita
Sino ang
po.
broker ng 1024?
Ang broker po is si Mr. Lugin po. Nakikita ko po siya sa Port of Subic. Familiar po yung face niya.
Yung Grab driver, yung delivery driver, nakikita mo rin yan.
Ay, yung Grab driver po, hindi ko po siya nakikita sa Port of Subic.
Si Hawla,
Si
si
Mr.
Wala.
Wala po. Hindi ko po siya
Ay, di mo
kilala, Mr.
nakikita.
Chair. Opo.
Pero yung mga yan, kilala mo, di ba? That's the question we're asking. Hindi ko naman sinasabi mga beshi mo yan, mga kumadre mo, nakakausap mo, di ba? Kasi imposible sabihin mo, puro ka lang portal, dumadaan, siyempre magbabayad, di ba? Magdadala ng papel, magpapirma. Ikaw naman, di ba?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Of course, hindi mo nakikita yung mga yan. Ay, Mr. Chair.
Yes, thank you. Well, obviously, considering what we found, in terms of the testimonies, that there appears to be, circumstantial evidence that establishes that the Subic collector's office, the examiners, the appraisers, at the minimum were remiss, and therefore we are concerned as to the extent whether they were remiss by virtue of incompetence or remiss by virtue of corruption, is something that we would like to know. And we can now proceed with the permission of Senator.
Mr. Chair, may papahabol lang ako kay Asik Maronilla kasi wala naman dito yung
Go ahead.
Customs Commissioner natin. I suggest, Mr. Asco Maronilla, na magkaroon kayo ng reshuffle ng mga kolektor dyan sa inyo kasi parang tama nga, we don't know if it's incompetence o masyadong kuana, but I heard there's a reshuffle going on soon. Nagagawin ang opisina po ninyo because yung iba non-performing, kagaya nito, itong Subic na ito, non-performing din ito. Balita ko sa mga sources ko. So, yun lang, siguro, reshuffle muna natin mga tao natin, ano po, para makatulong din because hindi nyo na meet ang target ninyo. Yan important. We have to meet our target and at the same time, siguro ma-reshuffle ang mga tao. Palit-palit muna tayo ng mga tao kasi what you're doing here in Manila, mukhang hindi nakakarating doon sa provinces. Mahigpit kayo dito sa POM, mahigpit kayo sa MICP, di ba? Lagi kayong talaga nakabantay kayo, yung office ninyo, lalo na yung office ninyo. Dapat pati dito sa Subic, sa Batangas, dapat matindi ng pagbabantay ninyo. Well, I commend you. Kaya marami kayo nahuhuli sa POM, mga drugs sa Mr. Chair, nasasabat nila yung Port of Manila, sa MICP, ganun din. So, you're doing a wonderful job. Ang bantayan ho siguro ninyo, ASCOM, itong Subic, ito yung mga nasa provinces, kasi baka nalulusutan tayo doon. Siguro yung kung gaano ka hirap ang pagbabantay nyo, bantayan nyo rin itong ibang ports ninyo, ASCOM Maronilla.
Well noted, Your Honor, and we assure you that we will extend our operations to the outports. And yes, Your Honor, I do confirm that there's a forthcoming reshuffle. Number one, it's based on it's a performance-based reshuffle by the commissioner, and of course, number two, we looked into some of the integrity issues also of some of our personnel in the ports. That's why a reshuffle is forthcoming, Your Honor.
Is that nationwide or is that only here in Luzon?
It's a nationwide reshuffle, Your Honor.
Nationwide result. So, non-performing, reshuffle, kagaya ho nito, mga nalusot. Hanggang siguro sa baba, hindi lang po kolektor, pati sa baba, palitan na rin muna siguro natin, sir, kasi non-performing nga, di po ba? Hindi nagagawin trabaho, nalusutan tayo kung hindi pa nahulin tong, ilang containers pa ang lumulusot to siguro dyan, di po ba? Yung higpit na pagbabantay ninyo ni Commissioner Nepomuceno, gawin din ninyo doon sa ibang mga probinsya, ano po? Tama ho yung ginagawa ninyo. I commend you for that, you and the commissioner. Pero dapat i-extend ninyo hanggang sa labas ng Metro Manila, di ba? Batangas, Subic, Clark, kung saan-saan niya, Cagayan de Oro, Zamboanga, La Union, bantayan din ho natin. Huwag lang ho yung dalawang port. But you're doing a wonderful job here in these two ports. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Just a few more points dito sa Subic, no? We received the letter communications from Commissioner Nepomuceno dated November 28, 2025, and this is updating us regarding the investigation that the BOC is conducting with respect to the incidents behind, in Subic, no? In fact, you have forwarded to us show cause orders. May we know, because the show cause orders are for those who were involved in the against the Subic CIIS, ESS, and Border Protection. Is that right? No, that you confirmed that, no?
Yes, Your Honor, and for some of the assessment people in Subic also.
Yes, because what is the status of Mr. Estanislao?
He's still the current district collector of the Port of Subic, Your Honor.
And is he being asked to? I mean, you have presented a show cause to a number of your people. Is he being asked to explain? Is he under investigation?
Your Honor, there's an inquiry as to him, but because he's a presidential appointee, we will refer that inquiry to the Office of the Executive Secretary, Your Honor, also.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Estanislao.
Yes, I have received a show cause order also
From the
from the commissioner.
from the commissioner.
Yes, sir.
What about Mr. Kalisihan and Mr. San Andres?
Yes, Your Honor. Majority of the personnel in Subic that are involved in this in the processing of this particular shipments have already been issued show cause orders and are under administrative investigation.
Is there a preventive suspension?
Yes, Your Honor. There are preventive
Who
suspensions
have been
already.
preventively suspended?
The appraisers, Your Honor, that actually those who are currently present here, except for Collector Stanislao, are currently under preventive suspension.
Okay. Thank you for that status, and perhaps you can include an update, written update, not just involving these individuals, although we appreciate this, but also those who have been invited here.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll try to submit it within the week, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you very much. We now proceed to the resource persons for Arvin. Is Mr. Joseph Yao here? Yes, Mr. Yao. Thank you for joining us. Who else is here? Johan Yao. Is Mr. Johan Yao here? Okay. Mr. Joseph Yao, you were not present in the last hearing. You informed us 2 days before the hearing that you were abroad. Where did you go?
Sir, I think the last hearing should be 1 month ago, which I sent a position paper and I showed all the attached my plane ticket. I went to Perth then I went to Bangkok. Perth, I think I went to for 4 days only. I booked my ticket since May, and my Thailand. I attached my ticket, so I forget already.
But your first letter did not indicate where you went. Or you just said you had traveled. Diba? The first notice. Sorry. We stand corrected. Okay, but thank you for joining us this morning. This is with respect to our requests. What was our previous request? Sorry, for documents.
For documents on
Oh yes. Where is Mr. Bricks Sadama? Mr. Yao?
Sir, I don't know. Sir, hindi ko... Actually, si Bricks, never ko na-meet po si Bricks po.
What about your son, Mr. can you please join us? Have you taken your oath? Since drama,